Hello and welcome to our Tech Talk channel. Today we're discussing the new subscription service from ChatGPT called ChatGPT Plus. Here's what we know so far. ChatGPT Plus is a subscription service that provides additional features on top of the existing free ChatGPT platform. These features include access to a wider range of topics, personalized responses, and the ability to save and revisit conversations. Until now, the service will be available first in the United States and will be rolled out to other countries in the near future. The pricing for ChatGPT Plus has not yet been announced, but we can expect it to be higher than the current price of free. However, the free version of ChatGPT will remain available for anyone to use. One of the main benefits of ChatGPT Plus is its ability to personalize responses to individual users. This means that the AI algorithm will take into account a user's history and preferences to provide more relevant and personalized responses. In addition, ChatGPT Plus will offer access to a wider range of topics, including more niche subjects and specialized fields. This is particularly useful for professionals in certain industries who require specific knowledge and information. Another key feature of ChatGPT Plus is the ability to save and revisit conversations. This is especially useful for those who use ChatGPT for research or learning purposes, as it allows them to easily refer back to previous conversations and insights. Overall, ChatGPT Plus is a subscription service that offers additional features and benefits on top of the existing free ChatGPT platform. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.